Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download apps to your Android TV without downloader. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share this video for more important and helpful videos like this. So, if you want to install and download applications to Android TV without Play Store or Google Play, this video is for you. Now, as I said, you want to download videos without downloader. Here is the downloader app, and it's a very nice application for your Android TV that helps you download files on the internet. You can download anything with this application, and it's very helpful. I don't even know why somebody want to use downloader on the Android TV. But nevertheless, if you want to download apps to your Android TV without downloader and you don't have Google Play Store, this method can help you. Now, I would say I cannot guarantee that this method is going to work all the time, or with all applications, or with any country, or wherever you're located around the world, because it has its own limitations. So, if you want to download apps without it, now I'm not going to say you should go to your inbuilt app store because we already know that's the first way to install apps without downloader. So, we are not going to be using that. Now, and you can see on my screen here, I don't have Google Play Store. I don't have Google Play Store app installed, but I need to install applications without downloader. So what do I do in such a case? What I do is I come to my inbuilt browser. Now what I mean by inbuilt browser is this is the browser that came with my Android TV. So it came with my Android TV. So I want to use this browser to download applications. So what I do is I come over here. Come on, please follow attentively. Now, I'm going to give a disclaimer. This method might not work all the time, and also it might be limited to your country. So, one solution is you should try using a VPN. Another solution is just download downloader. Anyway, so you go over here and you just go ahead and search for the application. For instance, I can just search VLC and then type in APK. So we're looking for the VLC app. This is just an example. You can do this with the application you're looking for. So for this video, I just want to use the VLC option. So as you can see on my screen here, here is the first option. The first option says VLC for Android. This is in French, but this means VLC for Android. I should download the application from up to down. Now that's the first option. Here's another option, and here's another option. There are many options. Alright, so I'm going to try the two of these. The first of this option is by us going to the web version of Google Play Store. So if I go to the web version of Google Play Store on my Android TV, it might download the application. The reason I'm using might is because Google Play will always be limited to your geographical location. So the application might be available in your web store on wherever you're located, but I cannot guarantee that. I cannot guarantee that because in some cases it might not be available. So for instance, here, as you can see, VLC Media Player is free and non-source. So once you go over here, alright, here's how mine looks like. This is the web version of Google Play. As you could see from the beginning of the video, I didn't have the App Store on my Android TV. And you see what I told you? They say your device isn't compatible with this version, which we know it is a lie because I use VLT on this Android TV. And that's why I say most of the times it might not work and it might work for you. So I cannot guarantee you to work with. Let's try the second method. This is the first method by us going to the Google Play web version. Now the second method is by us downloading the APK of the application. So you can try this option too if the first one doesn't work. So you come over here, and you go to the option that says télécharger. It also means download. So as I was explaining earlier, the only thing I hate about this method is at times it might work, at times it can just keep on turning you from one place to the other, and eventually there is no way. There's a problem with the security certificate of this site. And here's another problem. Some of these sites might not be secured. So, well, you can use a VPN, but that doesn't really guarantee the security of the site. So be careful with some of this site. So some might work, some might not work, some might just keep turning you up and down, and some might take a very long time we add before you eventually start downloading. So for instance, this one, I just hope it's going to work. So for instance, it starts with this, and I have to close this. It's what I was saying. A lot of ads. So you try to click on the download button, and it's going to bring you here again. It looks like it keeps on turning. I hope it's going to work. So here is the application, and okay, the application is downloading already. So this option going to, it works. So that app file is going to download. Once it's done downloading, it's going to ask you to install the APK to your Android TV. So right now it is currently downloading to our Android TV. And as I said, this is how to download without a downloader. I usually don't use this method. I just love using downloader. But if you want to download an app without a downloader, this method might work for you. But it has its security reasons. It might be unsecret. It might be not secure. You might have lots of ads popping up and discouraging you. And sometimes the website might just keep telling you and not giving you. But sometimes the website might work. So this is how to download any application to Android TV without downloader. If this helps you, like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel for more important videos like this.